Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Max from Robinson Cycle, and here we are with a newly upgraded E-Ride Pro. It's pretty cool. Most of these parts came from Charged Cycle Works, and let's take it outside and show you what's going on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what is going on here. There's a lot of Warp 9 components on here. So we've got the Warp 9 handlebars, headset. This is actually by CYC Motor. So this goes with the eBMX controller. So this has a different controller than the stock controller, and this allows you to unlock a lot more capability and power from the bike with your stock battery. It also gives you an e-brake, which is pretty cool. So there's upgraded all kinds of things on this. So new seat. This seat is from Next Level Seating. So check them out if you're looking into a seat. These cool prickly pegs. These are also from Warp 9. We've got Dominion dot brakes. These are different from the stock, and they have a cool adjustable option here. So there's a plus and a minus there where you can adjust the brakes. Here's the new fork. So it's an EXT Ferro USD 36 racing fork. It's by Extreme Shocks. And we've got a new Warp 9 wheel set as well on this. So you can see the front is similar to the stock, but the back tire on here is a lot thicker. So this is a 90 by 100 by 16 tire. Much thicker, wider, chunkier, really cool tire to have on a bike like this. And yeah, that's about it. If you're looking to upgrade your bike, check out Charged Cycle Works. They have a lot of great parts for the bikes. And if you are in the Maryland, DC, or Virginia area, feel free to stop by our bike shop. We are Robinson Cycle. We're located in Southern Maryland, so here's our info right there. Feel free to like, share, comment, post, spread the word. You know what the deal is. And stay tuned. We'll be working on all kinds of cool projects over here. Just so you can see the difference in torque on this. Oh, it's ready to jump with that eBMX controller.